Hello everyone. Today we will discuss algebraic formulae, expansion of squares, practice set 51. In that question is use the formulae to multiply the following. Now question is x plus y into x minus y. This is there in the form of algebraic identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. This formula tells a square minus b square. So now question is x plus y into x minus y. This we have to convert in the form of this algebraic identity. So what we will do, x into x we will multiply. X into x means x whole square plus into minus minus y into y whole square. So final answer is x square minus y square. Second question, 3x minus 5 into 3x plus 5. This is there in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. Now a plus b means 3x plus 5. A minus b means 3x minus 5. These two we have to multiply. 3x into 3x, 3x whole square, minus into plus minus 5 into 5, 5 whole square. 3x whole square means 3x we have to multiply 2 times. 3x into 3x, 9x square. Minus is there, minus 5 5s are 25. This is our answer. Next question, a plus 6 into a minus 6. This is also is there in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A into a we have to multiply a whole square plus into minus minus 6 into 6, 6 whole square. A into a means a square minus 6 6 are 36. So this is our answer. Next question, x by 5 plus 6 into x by 5 minus 6. This is there in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Same, we have to multiply this and this. X by 5 into x by 5. X by 5 whole square plus into minus minus 6 into 6, 6 whole square. X by 5 into x by 5 means x square divided by 25, minus is there, minus 6 6s are 36. So this is our answer. Next, fifth question, 2m plus 3n into 2m minus 3n. This is also is there in the form of a plus b. Okay, a minus b, 2m minus 3n is equal to a square minus b square. In the next step, 2m into 2m we have to multiply, plus into minus minus 3n into 3n, 3n whole square. Now 2m into 2m means 4m square minus 3n into 3n means 9n square. Last question, sixth question, 8 plus 7p into 8 minus 7p. This also is there a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b says a square minus b square. So 8 into 8 we will multiply 8 whole square plus into minus minus 7p into 7p, 7p whole square. 8 8s are 64, 7 7s are 49, p whole square means p into p, p square. So 64 minus 49 p square. Practice set 51. Question main 2. Use the formulae to find the values. First question, 502 into 498. This we have to write in the form of binomial. 502 we can write 500 plus 2. 498 we can write 500 minus 2. 500 plus 2 means 502. 500 minus 2, 498. And this is there, this binomial form is there in the form of algebraic identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. Says a square minus b square. So we will multiply 500 into 500, 500 whole square. Plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 2 whole square. 500 whole square means 500 we have to multiply 2 times. So 5 5s are 25. 2 zeros are there. That double zeros we will get. So 4 zeros we will get. 2 2s are 4. Now unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2,50,000 minus 4. We should do subtraction. 2,50,000 minus 4. From 0 we can't subtract 4. So 1 we will take from next. But here 0 zeros are there. So direct we will go there. 5 become 4. This become 10. 1 we are giving here. So here it become 9. It become 10. 1 again we are giving here. So again it become 9. 1 we are giving here. So it become 9. 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 is there, no number is there down, so 9 only. 4 is there, 4, 2 is there, 2. So we got answer over here 2,49,996. So we will get the answer 2,49,996. 502 into 498 value is 2,49,996. Next question, 97 into 103. This we have to write in the binomial form. We will write 100 minus 3 into 100 plus 3. 100 minus 3 means 97. 100 plus 3, 103. This again is there in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Says a square minus b square. So we will multiply 100 into 100, 100 whole square. Minus into plus minus 3 into 3, 3 whole square. 100 into 100, 2 zeros are there, 4 zeros we will get when we are multiplying that time. 3 3s are 9. So 10,000 we will subtract with 9. 10,000 will subtract with 9. Minus we will put. Again here 0, 9 we can't subtract. So 1 we will take from here. It becomes 0. It become 10. It become 10. That time it become 9. It become 10. It become 9. Again it become 9. It become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 is there, no number is there down. Again 9 is there, no number is there. Again 9 is there, no number is there. So here 0 is there, 0 we will put. So we got answer over here 9,991. 9,991. 97 into 103 value is 9,991. Next question, 54 into 46. We will write in the binomial form 50 plus 4 into 50 minus 4. 50 plus 4 means 54 we will get. 50 minus 4 means 46 we will get. Again this is there in the form of algebraic identity a plus b into a minus b, says a square minus b square. So we will multiply 50 into 50, 50 whole square, plus into minus, minus 4 into 4, 4 whole square. 50 50s are 25. 1 0 is there. When we are multiplying, we will get 2 zeros. Minus 4 4s are 16. So now we have to subtract 2500 with 16. 2500 we will subtract with 16. So again 0 say we can't subtract 6. Here also 0 is there. So here we'll take 1 here. So 5 become 4. This become 10. 1 we are giving here. This become 9. This become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. 4 is there. 4 only we will write. 2 is there. No number is there down. So 2. 2484. What answer we got? 2484 is the value for 54 into 46. Next question, 98 into 102. Binomial form we have to write. So we will write 100 minus 2 into 100 plus 2. 100 minus 2 is equal to 98. 100 plus 2 is equal to 102. Again this is there in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Says a square minus b square. So we will multiply 100 into 100. 100 whole square. Minus into plus minus. 2 into 2, 2 whole square. So 100 hundreds are 2 zeros are there. 4 zeros we will get. 10,000 we got. 2 twos are 4. So 10,000 minus 4 we should do. 10,000 minus 4. 0, 4 we can't subtract. Again it become 0. It become 10. 1 we are giving here. It become 9. It become 10. Again 1 we are giving here. It become 9. It become 10. 1 we are giving here. It become 9. It become 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. 9, 9, 9. So we got answer over here 9996. 9996 is the value for 98 into 102. Next, 52 into 48. In the form of binomial, we have to write this 50 plus 2 into 50 minus 2. 50 plus 2 means 52. 50 minus 2, 48. Again it is there in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Says a square minus b square. So 50 into 50 we have to multiply 50 whole square plus into minus minus 2 into 2, 2 whole square. 50 50s are 2500 we will get. 2 2s are 4 minus we put as it is. So 2500 minus 4. 2500 minus 4. Again we can't subtract 4 from 0. So 1 we will take from here. 5 become 4. 0 become 10. 1 again we are giving here. So 10 become 9. 0 become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 is there. No number is there down. So 9. 4 is there. 4 only. 2 is there. 2 only. So what answer we got? 2496. 2496. Next, last question. 194 into 206. This we have to write in the form of binomial. So we will write 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6. 200 minus 6 means 194. 200 plus 6 means 206. Again this is there in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Says a square minus b square. So we will multiply 200 into 200. 200 whole square. Minus into plus minus. 6 into 6, 6 whole square. 200 into 200 means 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros will become 4 zeros. 6 6s are 36. So we will subtract 40,000 minus 36. 40,000 40,000 minus 36. Again 6 we can't subtract from 0. So 4 become 3. 0 become 10. 1 we are giving here. 10 become 9. 0 become 10. 1 we are giving here. 10 become 9. 0 become 10. 1 we are giving here. 10 become 9. 0 become 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 is there, no number is there down. So 9 only. 9 is there, no number is there down. So 9 only, 3 is there, 3. So we got answer over here 39,964. 39,964 is the value for 194 into 206. If you have understood this explanation, please like my video and share with your friends. Who are all not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon so that whenever I am uploading science and maths videos, you will get the notification. Thank you for watching.